We're a family-oriented company, been around for over 40 years. We need skilled labor that understand how these conveyor systems, how pumps work, how bearings fit, how to use tools. These are all highly skilled requirements, and this is the need that the market is requiring.
It's different. Everything comes through the door is different. Most of the time, someone brings in 2 broken parts and we reverse engineer it, repair it, send it out the door.
There's a high demand for these types of individuals that have the skills to assess, diagnose, and repair.
I started off as a manual machinist, just kept working at it. I was good at it, got moved up, and here I am.
Essentially, we would like to promote internally, and this would allow us to get individuals trained, because the more skills that they have, the better they can serve the community as well as us.
Very good environment to work in, and good people to work with.
It's just a really positive environment.